Alright, hey you, welcome back to Beauty Over 40. So as you see, it's collaboration time with my Beauty Over 40 girls, and we are creating looks for Valentine's Day. We're just going to go ahead and jump in and get started. I've already put on my serum, and I'm going to go ahead and put on my moisturizer. Of course, you guys know these collaborations we do every month. I did miss the month of December, a lot going on. But, you know, make sure you check out all the girls as well. Let them know I sent you over. And, you know, watch their videos and show them some love and let them know what you think about their looks. Alright, so we're just going in with our moisturizer. Again, creating looks for Valentine's Day. So, one, what are you guys doing for Valentine's Day? Do you guys have anything planned? I don't think I have anything planned. But I will tell you, I think it wasn't last year. I think it was a year before. I did a scavenger hunt for my girls in my house. So I got these little cards that I made on Canva. Sent them to Walgreens, had them printed. Well, let me back up a little bit, because up until that Valentine's Day, we would always be at home together. We would, you know, cook a meal, watch a movie, whatever, just have a good time. But that particular year, myself and some friends, family, we all went out. So I kind of felt bad because, again, up until that point, we were always at home together. So I still wanted to make it special for my girls. So again, I got those cards. I got those cards printed, and, you know, got dressed and all that, and, you know, said my good nights to the girls. And so when I left my house, I texted my oldest daughter and I was like, hey, can you go look? I think I put the first one in the laundry room. I hope I'm right. I know for sure I put the first one in the laundry room, and then from there they had to go to find each card and each gift after that. And the last card ended up, my little one still talks about this today. The last one ended up in the trash can, but it wasn't in the trash can. It was in our recycle bin, so it wasn't nasty. Just cardboard and boxes and things like that in the recycle bin. But they really enjoyed it. I just love doing like little stuff like that. Not that I have anything planned this year, but I did want to share that with you guys. I thought it was really cute, and things like that they'll remember through their years. Alright, so we have our moisturizer on. For this look, I want something, I want to look like really, like I want my skin to look really hydrated and glowy. I haven't used this one in a while, but this is a glow priming moisturizer. I already have my moisturizer on, but I want to be really glowy. This is the Elements Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer. So we're going to use some of that. Put it on the back of my hand. Oops. You kind of see how glowy it is. And then on top of this, I'm going to use my hydrating primer by Estee Lauder. Futurist Aqua Brilliance Watery Glow Primer. Oh, that's a mouthful. Anyway, I love how this primer looks. Actually feels like a serum. Feels really good on the skin. And of course, primers are oil controlling. However, this is a hydrating primer. Not gonna make you look oily. It's just gonna keep your skin hydrated, which, again, I'm in cold winter months, which the cold does not bother me. I mean, if you guys know, I put my skincare in my skincare fridge, but those harsh winds can be very harsh, and so you just want to make sure you keep your skin hydrated underneath your makeup. Today for foundation, I'm going to use a couple. I'm going to use my Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk, and I'm going to add that with my Lancôme Tint Idole. As you can see, the Luminous Silk is a little bit dark. That is my summer color. So I'm gonna mix the two together. I love how this foundation looks. I haven't used the Tient Idole in a while, so just gonna pick that up just to show it a little love. I'm gonna mix those two together. Grab my brush and we're just gonna stamp this on. Pretty good color match. Make sure you pull your makeup past your chin, especially if it's not the exact color. You don't want that line of demarcation, that line of, you know, your makeup stopping. All right, I'm gonna go in with concealer. Favorite concealer is the Lancôme Camo Concealer. Absolutely love it. I like to put my concealer on underneath my eyes and just let it sit. Let it melt into my skin and warm up. I'm curious about this Inglot brow gel liner that I just purchased. They're calling it a brow gel liner. All right, but we're gonna give it a try. It does come off very brownish, grayish looking. But we're gonna give it a try. All right, we're gonna scoop a little bit of that out. That's very soft, like really, really soft. I'm just gonna take that much. Ooh, it's dark, but it is really like, it is so soft. It's like it's melting into my skin. I wonder how this dries down because it is so, it's really creamy. I definitely made that bigger than what I wanted. I know in my New Year message, which is the video before this one, you know, I had asked you guys, you know, what are some videos, you know, you would like to see on my channel. I would like to pose that same question for myself and my girls, like when we do collaborations every month. Like, is there any kind of collab you would want to see with my Beauty Over 40 girls? Let me know. Some more good news. I actually have been wanting an office she shed for so many years, and finally this past Christmas season I purchased myself an office she shed. So I'm going to be documenting, I'm going to be filming, and I'm going to share with you guys the process. I'm excited. I am excited to have my own little office space. So stay tuned for that. I'm really hoping for everything to be completed like within a month, but we shall see. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram, because I would definitely be doing like some behind the scenes and sneak peeks of my office shed. Yeah, I'm excited to share with you guys. All right, I'm back. We're gonna go ahead and love this sponge. It's the next best sponge that I've used next to the original Beauty Blender. I do have these available on my website. They work so good, they're so soft, and I know there's a lot of people that put their foundation on with the sponges, but I don't do that, but these work really, really good. Contour, ColourPop No Filter Sticks, $1.95 warm. A little bit of that. Contour my nose. I'm gonna overlap that contour where my highlight ended. Love this powder. That's my RCMA No Color powder. All right, so we're gonna try our new blush that we just got today by La Femme. This color is called Sienna. Very pretty. A little bit of that. pigmentation is really good, like really good. Highlighter, you know what, I'm gonna go to this palette here. It's an old palette, but I run to this quite often. This is the Salt and Pepper Collab by Mabeline. Don't know if you can still get it, I'm not sure. The crease color, because you guys know that's my everyday look. Almost every palette that I have that has a crease color in it, I've hit pan or almost hit pan. But this eyeshadow right here, I love it. It's perfect highlight for me. Again, we want to be soft and glowy for our Valentine, for our Valentine's Day look. But I'm gonna go ahead and set my face. All right, we're gonna go ahead and feels really good, really cool and just refreshing, very refreshing. It has like a little minty tingling feeling to it. Let's see, what are we gonna do for the eyes? Okay, so I'm going to grab my Marc Wile eyeshadow primer. I love this primer, it's really good. We're just gonna take a little bit of that eyeshadow primer. A little bit goes a long way. I just want something that's like really just kind of elegant. All right, I'm going to go in with the Natasha Denona little mini palette. This one's called, and I'm gonna go in with this color right here. My crease. I'm gonna swipe that underneath as well. All right, and then I think I'm gonna go in with this darker color here. I don't want a really harsh cut crease, but just a little definition. So I might have to go a little bit darker. I'm gonna grab this other palette. I'm gonna go in with this dark color here, rocking it up a little bit. All right, and let's go ahead and put some in the outer corner here. Let's try out this new eyeshadow. It is a water activated cake liner. So it says to only use water, and all right, so I'm really excited to try this. We're using the Givenchy duochrome, and this color is called Princess. Ooh, love it. Oh, it's so pretty. So in my head, I know I wanted to do something like really soft and just pink and just girly, right? When we think about Valentine's Day, we think about those things, right? Something nice. Well, sometimes people want to go a little dramatic, but for the most part, you want to feel sexy. So in my eyes, there's something just really soft and subtle and sexy. Even though this crease is kind of dark, but I think it's okay. For the most part, I just put it in my crease and then the outer corner just to get a little bit of definition. I'm going to take that and just put a couple, about 3 drops. Let's try 3 drops. See how that does. I don't know, it's almost like water needs to sit on there a little bit. You know, I don't want it too wet or too damp on my eye. Then it'll start creasing, and that's not what we want. So I'm just rubbing it around in here, just trying to, you know, stir it up a little bit. To get the opacity that I'm looking for. All right, let's go for it. So pretty. It is so pretty. Just press pressing that on. Hope it dries really good. That's really pretty. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead back into these Natasha palettes, and I'm going to try to blend out this edge here. I'm going to take this color here and just put that at the edge and blend that a little bit. Alright, also on top of that, not really directly on top, but I'm going to go in with this orange color here. So I'm just blending those two. So it's a nice transition. So far I like this. Once you get it where you want it, it stays, like it doesn't budge. Like I'm trying to blend it out and it's not budging. It's not budging at all. That's cool. So I would say if you want to like blend the edges or anything like that, definitely do it before it dries. Alright, we're applying lashes. Lashes are from my website. I have many styles. You guys can check that out. Of course, I'll have the link below to my website. Alright, so the lip, I have this little set here. I have one in my purse. I'm going to do this little guy here. That one is closest to nude, and I'll just doctor it up. I want a nude lip. Alright. First, we're going in with our Dream Cosmetics Brown Sugar. I love this color. There's another nude color, that one's in my purse though, called Crushing, that I really love. But I love using this as a contour or lip pencil, if you will. I also use this sometimes for my brows. Brighten up the middle. Alright, we're gonna do our hair, pick out some earrings and jewelry, and I'll be back. Alright guys, so this is my look. Alright, I will have everything that I use down below. Please make sure you guys check out the other girls that participated in this month's collaboration. Thank you guys for watching my videos. Please leave your comments, questions, and concerns down below in the comment section. And that is it for this video. So if you're not following me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram at LRHMakeup, and also on TikTok at LRHMakeup and TikTok _beauty over40. Alright guys, until next time, remember the best makeup you can wear is confidence. Bye!